Oh god, this was a wrong. Oh god, I was super wait. Oh, hey, there's a train. That's mine. Sorry guys, I was too late. So alright, let's go to the destination I was wanting. Let's go to the New York. Let's go, I am happy. Oh wait, this isn't. So, is anybody just gonna, come? I'm just gonna climb. So my coach, oh no, I don't remember. I don't remember enough, but I think it was like a coach. Oh, I don't not remember. Oh my god, I forgot my memories. I think it's like coach. Oh, this is hard. I think it was like coach 3. What did it say? Cell phone usage and loud talking or not? Oh, hi guy. Hello. Oh, never mind. It's gonna ignore me. I let me check. Oh wait, this is my seat. Just silly me. All right. I just kind of realized it is mine actually. Let's just kind of walk, cause I just want to check. I want to actually, explore this train. I got brain damage. So pain. What is happening? I'm glitching. Alright, time to. Actually, no, I don't want to sit. Alright. Oh, we're ready. Oh wait, this. Oh wait, this is my. Wait, this is the wrong paper. Yeah, I do not know what this is. But I'm just gonna sit here. Alright. Wait, what? Wait, what did seriously just happen? Wait. Oh, the train wasn't actually connected. Alright, should I just close this? Alright, I closed. Now time to now enjoy the beauty. Let's go. Super nice day. Alright. Departure. Let's go. Who's driving? Yippee. Was a great start. Super nice. Let's check our map. So we are gonna go from this train direction right here. So let's go. Alright, let's now move on. Hey, this is so beautiful. I'ma move. I love to move just so much because I have a great weird obsession with it. For like reason. This train is completely just, non-stoppable. Oh, hi guys. Well, they don't talk to me because, they're not, they just don't care about us. Their own walk, going back to, their family kind. I'm too tall. I just broke my neck and I want to sit. I gotta go to the toilet. Wait, don't look at it. Meanwhile, the drivers kept Alright, I'm back finally. Well, now let's go back to the sea. That was a beautiful horn, meaning that I'm so happy to travel. Well, I kind of came in super late, but I'm happy that I came in this time. Alright, I gotta move so quick, super quick, cause I don't have much time, guys. Oh, guys. Alright, I don't kind of have much time. Well, I'm kind of smashing my head because I'm too tall. I ain't like the too tall. Not what I am like. Alright, this is mine coach. I'm gonna sit and just chill, relax. Look at the city. Oh, that's the destination. Oh my god, let's go. I am happy. Yes, let's go. I'm super happy. Yippee! We're there. Oh, I'm hungry. Oh, I'm so hungry. I'm starving so bad. Why didn't I bring food? I better be some food probably. Is there any food? I'm okay. I think there's none. Yay, we're finally here. Wonder if I get some snacks. They probably sell snacks. Wonder if they do. I'm starving. There better be snacks. Oh, I gotta ask for food. Look. I'm gonna ask for food. I will go to the store. Let's go. Oh my gosh. I'm super bored. Why do I have this one carriage? I have to seriously rescue, but why can't I become a rescuer? Okay. I have to haul one high-speed train? Are you kidding? I have to haul one carriage because my engine's so weak? I'll show them weak. I'll send this railroad carriage right into the Great Railroad. I'll get in a railway junction and fix it. But I'll, take it to the original owner. I'm still sad. So let's go. Even though I don't kind of have a map. This should be fine. Nothing can go wrong. Well, I don't think it can go wrong. But I think it cannot go this wrong. Because I am a good worker. Yippee! I am enjoying happiness. Of course. This is so fun, bro. Whoa! Wow, I switched. My dream super true. I can just go quick mode. Super one. I don't think this is a kind of track I want to go. Let's see. Alrighty. Alright, I am right here. Let's see what we can do. But I do not know what that was. Wait. Oh god, I forgot. I think this is the wrong one. Oh man, I gotta go quick. This is the wrong one. I think it was like a back one. I gotta go quick. I can't waste my time. I just cannot let this slide. I gotta just go quick. I can't lose my job. I work this for this like 12 hours. Like 12 years. I can't just fail again. I'm just a newbie. Let me guess. Let me stop. I am so scared. I can't be kicked. I'm scared of this. Why would I just pay? Why wouldn't I not pay the debt I have? I'm gonna pay the debt. Please, I just forgot everything. Please. Would it be the correct one? Oh my god. This is so hard. It's been in the railroad for almost like 12 years. Alrighty, now we will go quick. May the railway king live. Super happy. Alright, now I feel super guilty. I gotta go quick. I can't just sit here being so late. The kids can't handle this. I just don't want to be lightweight. I just want to finish my debt. Like, I did not totally like kill anybody else. So I am in crippling debt. And I'm sad that police is somehow catching me. I'm gonna just look outside too. Okay, I'm almost. Wait. I think this is. Let me guess. This is like a junction I have to go. Gotta go quick. But the moon's so big. The moon's coming. The sun's rising. It's setting. Man, this is so hard. But look at this beautiful sunshine. It's representing that I was a good guy. Well, let's go. Wait. Let's go. Wait a minute. Wait. Do I see something? Wait a minute. That's the train! Oh, no. No. Don't come down. Oh, no. Break. This doesn't work. Oh, God, I forgot which one's the brakes. Wait a minute. Wait, brake! Ah! Oh God, I must brace the impact. Ah! Oh God, oh my gosh, he smashed the ride. Oh God, I survived it. I slammed my head. Oh God. Well, I kind of heard a train derailment. What was that sound? I did not hear that. Is there something wrong with it? Is it just me? Is there like a derailment or something? People are leaving the express. Wait a minute. Was there a derailment? What's the... Man, that wasn't nice. Anyways, let's not talk about that. Let's talk about what just happened? Was there a derailment? That Lisa guy right his hand shoved. Is he not okay? I think it's suffocating. It's oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And I'm trying to train derailed, right? So my gosh. It never happened. Is that what the trash was for? Was that still a Diesel Express? Oh Lord, don't tell me he's on crash. I will wait for 1 second and there's a derailment. Wow, 5 seconds. Looking away for 5 seconds and that happens. Wow, just so sad. Wow. At least I kind of survived the accident. Well, I have to somehow escape. This Satan just serves me when hell. I need to escape quickly before it explodes. I know it. So, due to the derailment, the Amtrak Railway had to pay $12,000 for the damage. The reason behind it was the guy who forgot everything. The name was Johnson, John Harrow Road. He kind of forgot his route because due to his alcohol, due to him drinking beer with friends, which meaning that he forgot which one to put the AC Express derailment in. The reason for this was due to the stupidness, and still the railway accident happened, and his express was now destroyed and never was used again, because due to the train driver accident is smashing itself because of its baconer. The baconer, I do not know why am I even a news reporter, but I keep forgetting his bacon guy hair name. The bacon hair coin that smashed itself because it wants to die because he wasn't supposed to do that, because he was poor and was also kind of working for the Amtrak in 14 years, meaning that he wanted to die because he couldn't let this happen, and he couldn't let him, be arrested. So instead committed a train disaster by its own and smashed it. The fee he paid was about $12,000. In 2 days, they will check the reason behind the accident. Soon after they're done investigating what was the reason to make this such type of accident. Train damage was caused of a passenger and engines colliding with it. The engine of the Acela Express derailed right at the rail switch, and the diesel was hauling one car, but it derailed too, smashing the back and making this carriage fall, which is currently moving. It smashed right into the carriage and collided this. I do not know how to kind of draw since I am a bad drawer. It basically collided with the train and honestly flied all the way to here, meaning that 12 people were injured but 10 were killed. The carriages were pushed and then smashed by an engine of P-22. The Amtrak company was fined with $110 million in the United States. And after that 2 days they fixed the train derailment. So like this video for part 2.